Planning to do an MBA? If you haven't learned these 5 skills, you will struggle from day one. B schools are all about assignments, case studies, and presentations. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you the 5 game changing skills that will keep you ahead of everyone in MBA. Stay till the end because I have a special free resource for you. Skill 1, Excel, the backbone of MBA. Data handling and analysis will be a part of your daily MBA life. If you don't know Excel, your group will sideline you and you will struggle with assignments. Watch Trump Excel's Beginner plus Advanced playlist for free and master Excel in just 1 week. Comment Excel guide to get a free Excel crash course that top MBA students use. Limited time only. Skill 2, Financial Statements, the MBA Survival Kit. Don't understand balance sheets, profit and loss statements or cash flow statements? Then finance subjects will be a nightmare for you. So what is the solution? Watch Professor Ashwath Damodaran's free YouTube playlist and master basic accounting before your MBA. Comment Finance Mastery below and I'll send you my personal MBA finance cheat sheet that simplifies all the key concepts. Skill 3, the PowerPoint Mastery. Stand out in MBA. B schools are filled with presentations, but there's a big difference between a basic PPT and a killer PPT. If your slides aren't attractive, your audience will ignore you. Learn from SkillUp's YouTube playlist and become a PowerPoint pro. Download some premium templates from 24 Slides or SlidesGo to make your slides stand out. Want to grab the best PowerPoint templates used by IIM students? Comment PPT hack and I'll send you a secret link. Skill 4, Case Solving. Crack the summer placements, whether it's consulting, product management or marketing. Case solving is a must-have skill, but most MBA students learn it late. If you master it early, you will dominate placements. Learn from Victor Cheng and Case Interview Prep's free resources. Want a free case study guide that top consulting firms use? Comment case study in the comments and I'll DM it to you. Skill 5, Statistics and Basic Maths, the quant game. For non-engineers, MBA's quantitative subjects can be tough. If you don't understand probability, normal distribution and standard deviation, you will struggle in subjects like business analytics and decision science. Take IIM Ahmedabad's free pre-MBA stats course. You can audit it for free. DM Stats Help and I'll send you my personal pre-MBA math preparation plan. This is a game changer. If you master these 5 skills, you'll dominate your MBA journey. But here's the real question. Which of these skills do you already have and which one do you need help with? Comment below and I'll personally help you out. Follow MBA Rendezvous on Instagram for exclusive MBA hacks, resources and personal mentorship. The right preparation can make your MBA journey 10x easier. ID का link आपको description में मिलेगा. Stay tuned for more updates. These free resources are only available for the next 24 hours. Don't miss out. Drop your comment now before they are gone.